And besides the insertion, we can also delete some tuples from a table. We can do the deletion by following the template as shown below. So to delete some tuples satisfying a condition, we can write down as shown follows. So we can delete from some table. This relation denotes a table name where with some conditions. We provide you with an example. We delete from the next table with drinker and beer as attributes the fact that semi-next spot. So we can do the deletion as shown as follows. We delete from next where drinker equals to semi and beer equals to bot and semicolon. In this way, we can delete the fact that semi next spot from next table, right? So in this deletion, we have this where condition. And sometimes, if we don't have any conditions at all, what do we do? We will provide you with an example. If we have a statement delete from next semicolon, and that's it, we don't have any where conditions. If so, then we delete all tuples in this table. The next table, we delete all the tuples. Inside, we have no where clause. We don't have any conditions. We delete all tuples. Here I want to clarify. For this deletion, we delete from next. We delete all tuples. However, this next table is still in the database system. The table is still there. However, this table is empty. It only contains a schema. It doesn't contain any data inside this table if we do the delete from next. This operation will only delete all the data in the table. However, the table is still in the database system. Right? You should compare this delete from next versus the job table. Right? If you still remember, before we provide you with a statement like this. So before we show with a statement like job table, right? Next versus delete from next. You should be able to compare them versus with each other, right? So job table next will delete both schema as well as data in the next table. However, delete from next, they will only delete data tuples. However, the next table is still in the database system. This table will be empty, but the schema is still there. So they are very different, right? So this is for deletion of all tuples at once. Delete from next with no conditions. Besides this, we can also delete according to some subqueries instead. So for example, we can delete from the beers table with name, the beer name, and the manufacturer. So all the beers for which there is another beer by the same manufacturer. So for beers with the same manufacturer, they will be deleted, right? If we want to do so, then we have to use subqueries to help us. So first step will be find all the beers which have some other beers sharing the same manufacturer with them, right? Therefore, we can do so by writing down as follows. We'll have select name from beers. We provide name for beers, A, where the A dot manufacturer equals to B dot manufacturer. B is the beers table from here, outside it. And we have a condition that A name doesn't equal to B name. In other words, to for the tuples in the beers B, this table, we can find another tuple in the beers table. They share the same manufacturer, but with a different name, right? And we will return these names of these beers as the return result for the subquery. Then we can delete from beers. We provide name B for the beers table, where I hope you still remember this exists, right? Exists subquery. Inside it, we find the beers sharing the same manufacturer as the tuples in the B table, right? If this one is not empty, it will be returned true value, right? right? If it is true, then we delete the tuples from beer's table. If it is not true, in other words, we can never find another beer with different name but the same manufacturer. If this one is empty, it will return false value, right? And these beers will be valid and they will never be deleted. So this is a deletion with subquery. We also use this exists, this operator to help us.